Hi guys, I wrote a blog post recently about how to choose the best colors for your complexion. I know it can seem a little bit complicated, so I thought I'd do a quick video today so you can put this into practice straight away. So if you've had a color analysis done before by a personal stylist, a while back, the system we used to use, it was basically using two categories called warm and cool complexions. So this system is a little bit restrictive because you can only, once you know which of those groups you belong to, you can only wear the colors that are prescribed for that particular group. So I'm going to talk to you today about the system we use currently, which lets you wear a range of colors, from bright colors to muted colors. And it's once you get the hang of it, it's pretty straightforward to figure out which of those colors you can wear and how you can wear them. So before I start, I just want to say you need to understand what bright colors are and what muted colors are. So your bright colors are basically like your primary colors, like your reds, blues, greens, and any mixture of those colors, like your purples, oranges, bright pink, all of the neon range, anything that really grabs your eye. Those are bright colors. And muted, like the name suggests, is just played down. So if you mixed a little bit of white or gray with those bright colors, they would get muted. So you can think of like the really light colors like pastels, baby pinks, sky blues, those are all muted colors. And then you have your kind of the medium range muted colors like teal, maroon, coral, and then they get darker into the grays and navies. So you need to first work out which of those two groups, whether it's the bright colors or the muted colors that look best with your skin tone. And this applies to anyone, whether you've got fair skin or olive or dark. It really depends on the unique pigmentation in your skin. So to work out which group works best with your skin, the best thing you can do is grab two items of clothing from your wardrobe, one that's bright and one that's muted, and try them on or hold them close to your face in front of a mirror with a lot of natural light. So let me just demonstrate to you how I would do that. Okay, be right back. I'm back. So I don't know if you can see, but I'm wearing a really light pastel blue blazer. It's like a baby blue. So this would be a muted color. And the reason I grabbed a blazer is I've got one very similar in a bright, so it's easier for me to compare the two. Obviously I'm wearing makeup, so I've made sure that I look good no matter what I wear. First step, getting my face on. So you should ideally do this test with your natural skin color and natural lighting. But you can see it's still pretty okay. It's very close to white. And white is a bright color. Black and white are brights. Grays, however, are muted. So because this top is so light and close to white, it still does look quite good on me. But if I go further back away from the light a little bit, and you can see now on my face, you can see the darker pigmentation areas just starting to show kind of under my eyes where I've been breaking rest and sort of around my mouth and there. So, okay, so that's how I look in a muted color having that close to my face. Just remember that, and I'll be right back in a bright. Okay guys, and here I am back in my favorite canary yellow blazer. Obviously this is a bright. What do you think? Which color suits me better? Let's move back. So even with the darker lighting, what do you reckon? So I reckon I look better in the bright colors, and I know this because I've been told this a million times by everyone who's seen me out and about. The minute they see me in a bright color, they go, "Wow, Nan, you look amazing today." So this is a simple test you can do to work out which range of colors suits you better. Is it the brights or the muted? So you might have to try it with a couple of wardrobe items. So you might want to have a few in the muted colors and a few in the brights that you can try until you establish a clear pattern of which of those two groups suit you the best. The important thing here is you can actually wear any of those colors, but what matters is what goes close to your face. Obviously, whichever color that's closer to your face is gonna either make you look better, make your face shine and look younger, or it's gonna make you look a little bit older and a bit more tired when it pulls out that, darker pigmentation. So you just need to work out which of the two color groups, whether it's the brights or the muted, that makes you look younger, makes your face really gives you the rosy cheeks and, plays down those dark circles. And once you know that, you know which colors look closer to your face, best closer to your face. So you can stick to, if you fall into the muted group, you can stick to wearing muted colored tops and blazers and scarves and necklaces or whatever goes around your face. And you can still wear the bright colors, but you would wear them further away from your face. And it's the same if bright colors suit you better, like me, for example. So I do still love my muted baby blue blazer, but I am aware that I look better in bright, so I tend to play that up by wearing it with a white top, which is still bright, or white earrings like I've got on today, or some bright colored accessories. So there you go. That's color analysis in a nutshell. So I hope you give it a go and try it with the colors you've got in your wardrobe. And I hope it helps you with your shopping in the future to pick out the best colors that suit your complexion. So if you want to know more about this in detail, just have a read of my latest blog post, Best Colors for Your Complexion. That's in the link in my bio. All right, good luck and happy styling. Bye.